Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to showcase property analysis using the REI Lense tool across various websites. We'll be focusing on identifying potential short-term rental investments in some of the top Airbnb markets. We'll explore properties matching our buying criteria in each of these markets. If you haven't installed it yet, here is how. Go to our REI Lense website using this link, then scroll down to see the browser extension options. Click on it, then it should direct you to extension page where you can install. The extension works well for Safari and Google Chrome, but it can also work with other Chromium-based browsers like Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, and others. Once installed, make sure that the extension is activated. Now, here is an article on AirDNA that lists the top 25 markets for Airbnb. Today, we'll analyze Columbus, Georgia, which is listed as a good market for short-term rentals. We'll try to find single-family home residences for under $200,000 and aim for these revenue numbers. Let's start our search on Redfin, which is supported by our REI Lense website analysis extension widget. Put in here Columbus, Georgia. Search. Set the price under $200,000. We're looking for family homes. Set the filters to at least 2 bedrooms or above, and a decent amount of bathrooms. We will exclude 55+ communities, and we'll also specify that we don't want HOA. We can see that there are a decent amount of listings, so let's proceed. Now we can get an overall look on the different properties available. Taking a look around to see which property is close to a utility, hospital, malls, parks, and other major landmarks. A feature that you can use here is if you scroll out a little bit just so we can map all the locations present on the map, click on the REI Lense button on the upper right. This will start the analysis for the properties present on the map. One by one, we are able to see useful information on the bottom right table. Color green generally means it is a good investment, yellow is a cautious take, and red will obviously mean it's a bad investment. Once you have selected a property, open it. As you scroll down, you can see information about the different ratings about the area. School score is a 3, walkability is a 68 out of 100 as the ability to bike around is 48. Pretty low, but doable. Overall, we are seeing a somewhat competitive status from the market listing. But here in particular, you will see the REI Lense widget giving forecasted analysis for the property. The terms stand for long-term rental, mid-term rental, and short-term rental. If you click here, it will direct you to our REI Lense website with the information automatically searched for you. I'll also show you how to use it on the Zillow and Realtor websites, both of which do not support the REI Lense widget as of now, but will be supported in the future. On to using Zillow. Let's search for properties in Columbus, Georgia. Setting the same settings as we did with Redfin, 2 bedrooms, decent bathroom count, then hide the 55 communities. Look around, and once you found a property, simply highlight the address, right-click, then you should be able to see the REI Lense extension shortcut function. It will automatically direct you to our REI Lense website with the address automatically searched. The process is pretty much the same for the Realtor website. Search for the location, put your preferred search parameters, then search for properties that interest you. In this case, as another example, we'll use the same location. Highlight the address, right-click, then click on the REI Lense extension. Here on the REI Lense webpage, you are able to see the data you need for your investment. Above here, you can see the forecasted data for different strategies, be it for Airbnb, long-term, or mid-term. Let's choose Airbnb since it's the most profitable at a 15.99% rate. The rest of the data shown here are self-explanatory. If you keep scrolling below, you can see more data which includes charts. Then here, a map and a list shows you the value of nearby properties. In this case, it's just one property comparable to our current property, and our property is almost double in value according to the data. $3,000 in rent seems optimistic. In case you need to change some dataset, you can do so by adjusting the slider. Let's put it down from 3,000 to 2,700. Click on Recalculate, and it will compute the data again for you. Even if we input it at 1,700, we can clearly see that the property is still profitable. And in case you want to put back the default parameters, you can always click on Reset. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Visit REI Lense today and unlock the potential of tomorrow's real estate market.